Hi everybody, thanks for coming by the channel. Today we're going to do Birchbox. Birchbox is a monthly subscription. It's $10 a month and you pay 3 months in advance for 5 samples. They have a new program with customization where you can be totally surprised, not know what any of your 5 samples are. You can pick one of your samples. They give you like 4 or 5 choices and you can pick the one of those that you like and then the other 4 are a surprise. Or they do a curated box now where they show you each of the 5 things that are going to be in your box. I went with this month the one where I got to pick one sample because there was a highlighter in it that I was kind of interested in. I thought, you know what, 4 surprises is good and I'll know one of the items. I've put my link below if you want to sign up through Birchbox. So we've got Hello 2019. On the back are the products that we're getting. So let's get into the box and see what we've got. Okay, I just turned my ring light on. I realized I set the whole thing up and never turned it on. It's still kind of new to me. And as you've noticed, I've gone on the move again. If you watched my prior videos, I'm back to one of my other places. I digress. So if the lighting just changed, it's because I turned my ring light on. So we have the Prescriptives Virtual Skin Foundation in Real Rose. Well, I do always talk about how pink I am, so let's see what this is. Oh, it's just a bottle, the open top. It's a good amount though there. This little bottle is full. That's at least a few days worth. Hey, I think that might work. I will definitely give that a try. Oh, now that I'm looking at it away from the light, it's a little darker, but I've noticed that a lot of people wear their foundations darker. It feels really nice. It smoothed right into my skin. It smells nice. We'll definitely give that a try. That's fun. Next we have the Black Charcoal Peel Off Mask. Let's see what it says. I'm trying to hold the paper far enough away. I get so tired of going back and forth between my glasses, so I'm trying to see what we can pull away with. Okay, so this says that avoiding your hairline and your brows, apply an even layer to your T-zone after cleansing. Wait 15 to 20 minutes and then peel away for revived skin. This is probably something that I'll tuck away until summer. I don't think that in this dry winter air I need to be peeling anything off my face. And I don't tend to have blackheads and that kind of thing that need to be peeled away anyway. So that's probably a summer product. Okay, what else have we got? I'm so excited. This is the Ouai Volume Spray. This is fantastic. I got one in one of my prior boxes and I tried it and I loved it. And I passed it on to my mom who has much shorter hair and she loved it. And then we went on to everything. The Ouai site, the Sephora site, everywhere. And could not find the full size. It was sold out everywhere. Actually, I still haven't gotten my Sephora notification letting me know it's back in stock. My mom was finally driven to buy it off of Amazon. I'm trying to wait it out at Sephora for, you know, points, and I have gift cards and that kind of thing. But yay, I'm so excited to have this to tide me through. You know, sometimes things just work out. Okay, next we have the Beautinique Beauty Nourishing Mascara. It looks like this. I'm not going to undo it because somebody told me the other day, every time I got a new mascara, I would take it out to show you guys the wand. And they say that the 3 to 6 months that they give you on mascara actually starts ticking down from the first time you open it. So I've got to quit opening them. So I wish I could see the wand being strong though. And last but not least in the Birchbox is, and this is the product that I chose from the several products that I had to choose from. And this makes me think of Abadabs again when she, pretty sure it was her. I keep saying that. I should go back and double check. When she talked about the Smurfs in her backyard getting her samples. This is, that's so cute. That's so cute. It's a Modelco highlighter. Can you, I mean, it's tiny. It's so cute. It is nice though. I like it. I mean, I can't help it. I'm smitten. It's adorable. Oh, it's nice and buttery. Let's see with all this brightness if I can show you. Can you see the... Here, let's do it again just in case. Here, you know what? I'll do it like they do. Can you see it on my finger? It's really pretty. It's a little dark, I worry, for my face, but you know what? It would be nice for... I think it's adorable. Okay, well that's it for my Birchbox. So we got the Ouai Volume Spray, the Modelco. Did I tell you what this was? Okay, it's a highlighter. It's the Modelco Baked Highlighter in Moonshine. So very cool. The Buttery Mascara, the black, and this, just for the record, is big and it feels heavy. It's 15 ml, but it feels like this full-size tube is really full. And the Prescriptives Foundation in Rose. So they are reading profiles because they knew I was Rose. Thanks for coming by. If you like the unboxings or you like this, please like, give me a thumbs up, and subscribe. And comment below, what did you get in your Birchbox? Have you ever done it? Did you get to pick one? And if you got to pick, what did you pick? I feel like I want to have a little bit of control of what I'm going to get, but the deciding is the hardest part. All right, guys. Well, thanks for coming by, and please come back. Bye.